Alright, so this is going to be a video on Voucher Leap's campaign builder and all the cool features that we've added to it in the past few months. So I'm going to start off real quick by just showing you guys how it works. So all you need to do is get your product ASIN and put it here to be able to build a landing page. And we have two different types of campaigns that we can run. Now, both these types we go into a lot in depth on voucherleap.com, and so I think it makes sense to just choose one, and if you want to learn more, then you can check it out on our website. So this coupon price and these coupons here, I will just get from here randomly. So these are coupons that you should create on Amazon Seller Central. And there's a lot of tutorials on how to do this, but it's on Amazon Seller Central, and you create some number of single-use coupons, and you upload those coupons here. And now we'll just have to give somewhere to live. So we'll say, linen spa, awesomeness. So if we click submit, you'll see that it'll go over to Amazon, it'll pull over all of our listing data, and it'll put it right here for us, and we don't have to do any work for any of that. So we have this review link that we can show reviews for. We can show features, and here are the features that it pulled over. The other thing, it gets our name, it gets the price from Amazon, right? Everything is correct. It gets over every listing image that we have, and we can choose any one of these to be able to set as the main image for our product. So we'll set this one because I think this looks pretty nice. And we click submit here. Okay, so let's take a look at our landing page, what we have so far. So I'll just change this to our landing page. Okay, so you see this is the landing page that I built for us, right? And so it's pretty basic right now. It doesn't have a logo, so we should probably add a logo. And we'll give it also some social media links. So this is the email that emails will be sent out with, so you'll probably want to change this to whatever email your help contact is. So we'll just choose, let me see if I can find this. So we'll choose this, and we'll give it a Facebook. I think it's HTTP, there we go, Linen Spa, and we'll say the same thing with, what is happening here? There we go. All right, Twitter, Linen Spa. So let's submit that. Okay, so now let's refresh this page, and you'll see we have this logo here, and down here we'll have our social media links that if we click on this, you'll see it goes to our Facebook page. Awesome, okay. So now let's take a look at some of the new stuff that we've added. So one of the new things that we've added that has been getting a lot of use and has been really awesome is this ability to be able to add, instead of just having kind of images from your listing, we can also upload our own image, but we can also include a video from somewhere. So we'll include this video of a girl reviewing one of our products. So now if we take a look at this listing, you'll see we now have a video here in place. So we'll support YouTube and we'll support Vimeo for now. And in the future, we'll probably, if there's anything else that we need to be able to support, we can definitely build that in. You'll see it's tracking kind of how many visitors we have. We have 2 visitors and 0 coupons so far. We can also change our email body. We can change our text on our landing page, and that'll show up down here. So let's actually make some of these changes. So we'll say that we want to include Amazon reviews, and we'll want to show features from Amazon. And we'll just actually include this. So if I refresh the page now, you'll see we show our features down here. We have our text, our custom text that we've added here. We have our video up here, our social media links, and some of the reviews down here. So that's really awesome. And it's a really powerful tool. And there's another thing that we've built that is kind of tangential, but has been getting a ton of usage. And that's this product embeddings part of our campaign. So let's say that this kind of review page isn't enough for you. You'd rather be able to show something from somebody else's website. So we'll just show you this real quick with this YouTube link. And hopefully this will make sense once I have it here. So we'll say it's Linen Spa's newest product. Okay, so we have a title, we have a body, and soon we'll be able to add an image. and we'll give it a link to overlay our product embedding on top of. So if you see an example, you'll see this is essentially what it does for you. But if we just create this, we could take a look. So you see it created this link for us. This is a kind of a URL shortened link. And if we visit this, you see it shows the video, and then it also shows kind of our call to action down here to enter their email for a coupon. All right, so now that we have this, let's take a look at what our landing page looks like right now. So here's the link for our landing page, and I'll just open up a new tab and put that here. So this is kind of what we have basically at first. So this is a basic landing page. You'll see that somebody can enter their name and somebody can enter their email, and they'll get sent a coupon with a link, obviously, to your product. Now, let's try to style this up a little bit. So one thing we want to do maybe is show some reviews, and we'll also show our features. We have Facebook tracking pixels and Google tracking pixels here. This is for being able to essentially install a tracking pixel onto the landing page so you can keep track of who's visited it. But we've already covered this in a previous video, so if you're interested, you should check that out. So let's head over here and let's actually edit this text as well. Okay, so now you see we've updated our campaign. If we go over here, you'll see that we have our text, our custom text, we have our features, and we have our Amazon reviews down here. Okay, great. So now let's work on this part. So here we can include a brand image. So we'll put in, let's see what we have here. Put in this one, and we'll give it a social media link. So Linen Spa, Twitter, Linen Spa. All right, so if we submit this and we come back here, you'll see we now have a logo here, and we have our social media links down here. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the newer features that we've added. So one of the big ones is better kind of image customization. So you can see that we have our Amazon images that we can change to, but we can also upload our own image. And we can also upload actually a video. We can include a link of a video. So maybe you have some kind of promo video out there. I actually found something for this product, which was not exactly this product, but it was something under this brand. So I'll just use that for now. So somebody reviewing it. And if we click on that and we refresh the page, you'll see now, now we have a video here in the place of our image, right? Now the last thing is we'll have a countdown timer, and we'll say this countdown timer counts down 24 hours, so that's 1 day. And we'll also show how many coupons there are remaining. So we refresh the page again, you see we get a counter of coupons remaining, and as this goes down, it'll change into red and then deeper red as it gets kind of a smaller and smaller percentage of your coupons are available. And what was the other thing? Oh yeah, that's right. So you see now we have this countdown clock over here. All right, so I think our landing page is looking pretty good. You see we got our coupon counters here. We have custom text, some features, some Amazon reviews, and this countdown timer. This video isn't very high quality because I just found one for the sake of the demonstration, right? If you're going to do this, you probably want to find something a little bit higher quality and more convincing than this. But that's enough of this landing page. So I want to introduce you guys to this new thing we built called product embeddings. Now, I'm going to open this up because I think this will explain a lot. And let me just zoom in on this. Let me just zoom in on this over here. So what product embeddings are, let's imagine that you have a prominent blogger who writes a post about your product. So instead of maybe wanting to redirect people directly to this landing page, maybe we just want them to visit this blogger's webpage, but have a little ad for our product on the side, right? Because the blogger gives your product validation, and then you immediately give the customer like an opportunity to purchase your product. So this will work with YouTube as well. So I actually just took this same video for the sake of demonstration, and I put it here. And we have to come up with a title. So I was going to put in Linen Spa newest product, exclamation mark, and you see this is a body. And let's click add link. So let me zoom out a bit. So let me zoom out a bit just so I can see what we're doing. So this is the link we just created. This is one I created earlier. But if we click on this, you'll see we have a full page YouTube video, but we also have this ad, right, for your product at the bottom. And so this is really awesome because you can imagine that in the place of this YouTube video, like in this example, we have a blog that basically talks about, so this blog was one that talked about the best yoga mats out there on Amazon. And it rated one specific yoga mat really highly. Now you can imagine kind of if that was your yoga mat, that you have this little call to action come up on the side, right? And this will increase conversion significantly just because you have this validation because somebody actually blogged about your product.